This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, June 3rd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a 594 ridge centered around El Paso, Texas. And on the north side of this ridge, we'll have an active storm pattern coming in with a system coming in from the west. You can see the showers and thunderstorms developing with this low pressure center in eastern Colorado. So storms will develop in southern South Dakota or Nebraska. These will sweep eastward across the state during the night tonight into Wednesday. Highs today, Tuesday, will be mainly in the 70s, upper 70s to middle 80s. Wednesday, it'll be cooler with rain mainly in the morning, maybe into the afternoon in our eastern counties with readings in the 70s across the state. Thursday, that storm will be well to our east. You can see the frontal system dragging down through Tennessee and then back up into the Plains states once again to a new storm that's going to be coming in. This one will come in here late on Friday. You can see here by Friday at midday, roughly, or early afternoon. You can see we could see some activity maybe encroaching our southwestern counties at that point. Thursday and Friday will both be sunny with highs mainly in the lower to middle 70s. Then on Saturday, here comes another batch of showers and thunderstorms. It's too early to determine severe weather at this point, but it could be possible. Readings look to be in the 70s to near 80 at this point. And with this low pressure center moving from about Wichita to north of Chicago, we could see some activity through Saturday night into Sunday, with slow clearing after that. Sunday will be down into the lower 70s and maybe even upper 60s in some areas. Monday will be mainly sunny as that storm is now off to our north and east. So sunshine, maybe a few clouds, highs in the 70s at this point. And then as we head into a week from today, next Tuesday, you can see another system is coming in from the west. You can see the piece of energy over the Dakotas. You can see also this piece of energy down here at the bottom of the screen in the southeastern Gulf. That is the infamous tropical system that could be down there. You can see it down at the bottom of your screen. That could bring some heavy rain in southern Florida. But in our neck of the woods, a low pressure center in the eastern Dakotas could bring another batch of showers and thunderstorms late next Tuesday night, maybe into Wednesday of next week. Going into further that week, June 14th, you can see another system moving through Saskatchewan and Alberta and Canada. This could swing down into the northern Dakotas, or at least North Dakota and Montana with a few showers there. One storm system departing at this point. Looks to be seasonal readings at this point. No big ridge and hot weather dome at this point, according to this model run. And then as we go to the end of the forecast on June the 18th, we have a trough and a piece of energy moving through the western Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. Pretty much a zonal flow at this point. No real ridge and no real big amplified trough. We have a cold front coming through with a batch of showers and storms. That could look like an MCS, but this is more than 2 weeks out and could still change. Otherwise, it looks to be seasonal weather through the extended period at this point. Looking at the satellite image from last evening, you see this big comma head with a low pressure center near around Thunder Bay, Ontario, with clouds hanging back through Canada, back into the Ohio River Valley, clouds in the Gulf, and clouds to our west as well with the next system. And speaking of that, there's the watch warning map from last evening. You can see some excessive heat warnings down around Tucson and Phoenix, red flag warnings in northeastern or east central Arizona through New Mexico, Colorado, into western Kansas, and a wind advisory in central Kansas. Taking a look at the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing very heavy amounts of rain are possible, up to 5.4 inches in south central Iowa, with lighter amounts down to about an inch in the north and eastern counties.